One of the tools that can help you gathering information and give you an idea about the problem is Steps Recorder. Steps Recorder is a Windows 10 built-in tool that can be run on the computer experiencing the problem to record the actions taken by the user that lead to the problem. It's a simple tool that can be used even by an inexperienced user. To run Steps Recorder, open the Windows Start menu and type Steps. Click to start the application. When it starts, it shows a small window with buttons. There is the Start Record button, the Stop button, and the Added Comment button. I have prepared a scenario that emulates a bug in the Windows Calculator application. So I'm going to start recording while trying to open the calculator. Here is the error message. I'm going now to copy the error message to add it as a comment. I do paste here. OK. Close this. Now I'm going to stop the recording. The application is now generating the report. Let's maximize the view. Here we have a kind of an intro, and here we have the steps. Step 1, there are the date and time when the action was recorded. Here the action that was taken, user left click on Start button, and just here you can see a green square surrounding the Start button. Step 2, the same thing, there are the date and time, the action name, user left click on calculator, and you can see here the mouse pointer over the calculator icon. Scrolling down, step 3, user left click on copy to clipboard button. Step 4, click on the close button. Step 5, when I added the comment. Step 6, click on the Start menu. In the end, there are additional details, like the recording start and end time, the number of steps recorded, there are 6, and there is 0 error in the recording. The operating system version, it's important information that can help in the troubleshooting process. And here there are more details on the steps with the names of programs involved. The final step consists of saving the recording by clicking on the Save button. Give it a name. Save. The recording is compressed as a zip file. It can be attached to an email and sent to the IT support. Let's open it and take a look. The recording file is an HTML document that can be opened in any browser. There is the same content as in the application with the screenshots and the details of the steps. So this tool can be of great help for IT support to understand what the problem is and what the user did before the problem occurs. And most of all, it's a Windows 10 built-in tool and easy to use even by no-tech users.